We are looking at how to pronounce this female given name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So this name exists in several cultures and languages, including Italian, German, Polish and Swedish. So the pronunciations are going to vary a little bit, but generally speaking, this is said as Beata, Beata. Very straightforward. Once you know Beata, or in American English, Beata, Beata, in British English, Beata, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.